Did you know Instagram now has a Friends tab inside the Reels feed? It shows what your friends have liked, commented on, or reposted. But what if you don't want others seeing your activity? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to hide your liked Reels and interactions in seconds. Hey everyone, welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where I break down social media features in the simplest way possible. Today, I'll show you how to hide your activity in the Friends tab on Instagram to protect your privacy. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Instagram app. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This takes you to your account dashboard. From here, we'll access the privacy settings. Step 2. Tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, in the top right corner. This opens your account settings panel. Scroll carefully through the available options. We're looking for the Friends tab activity setting. Step 3. Scroll down and tap Activity in Friends tab. This setting controls whether your likes and comments appear in the Friends feed. Instagram enables visibility depending on your current preference. Now we'll adjust it for privacy. If this privacy tip helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. I post simple, powerful Instagram tutorials that keep you updated and in control. So turn on notifications so you never miss a new feature. Step 4. Select No One from the available options. This will instantly hide your liked Reels and comments from the Friends tab. Your activity will no longer be visible in that feed. You can always return and change this setting anytime. And that's how you hide your liked Reels and comments from the Instagram Friends tab. Small privacy settings like this can make a big difference in how you control your online presence. If this tutorial helped you, drop a comment below and tell me what Instagram feature you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching Preyo Phonie, where tech is simple, smart, and made for everyone. I'll see you in the next one.